guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been MIA this week, but I've had this whole cold sickness going on. So yeah, I haven't felt too good lately. But in this video, I'm going to be doing the laundry challenge, and this is from Katie over at Greenish Katie. And it's where you do one load of laundry and you have 7 minutes to fold it and put it away. And I thought this was a great challenge. I've never really timed myself to do laundry, and after this, it really doesn't take as long as you think it does. But it is still challenging, but it makes it fun because it's kind of like a game. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to comment and subscribe.
You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why? It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is. Why? So I'm just here to tell you, it is what it is. There's no running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it. She left you with no words of reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard, but you can fake it. Yeah, just fake it till you make it. Before you know it, you forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clearer. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? You ask her what you did and how to fix it. Why? You try to find a way to get forgiveness. Why? Search for pain is close to an addiction. Why? So I'm just here to tell you, it is what it is. I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty.
Alright guys, that is it. My timer went off. I had it set for 21 minutes for 3 loads of laundry. I didn't quite make it. As you can see, I've still got some shirts to hang up. But I think if I would have just had adult clothes, I would have been able to make it easy. But kids' clothes are like, they take so much longer just because they're so tiny and stuff, and 3 girls, and it's just, yeah. But I was impressed because at first when I set the timer, I was like 21 minutes. There's no way I can get all this folded and put away in 21 minutes. But I did surprise myself with how much I could get done, which does make me feel a little bit better about doing laundry. Just because, like, right before you do laundry, you're kind of just like, oh my goodness, this is going to take me an hour, and, you know, I'm just going to put it off and all that. So the fact that I could get that much done in 21 minutes feels pretty good. So, yeah, this tag was from Katie over from Greenish Katie, and I will have her channel linked down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and definitely do this challenge for yourself. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I am made